installing this $144 eBay carbon fiber deck lid for the 15 to 17 Mustang. Alright, so this is a carbon fiber eBay deck lid that I got for $144 with a 5% discount. And it's actually a really high gloss material with a camera cutout right there, which is pretty nice. And you can see over here in the sun that the weave pattern is actually pretty good, and like I said, it's a really high gloss finishing. But the thing is, it's not an actual deck lid, it's only a cover. So it goes mounted on top of this. What the fuck? It goes mounted over here on top of this deck lid right here. But first, before we do that, he's actually getting down to it. It's actually pretty easy stuff right here. You just unbolt a lot of these things right here. And what?
I'm learning. I don't know how to work on a Mustang. Spins off. I was about to rip it off, but
It's about 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. You spin these ones off.
with your hand.
After that, you just remove these covers on opposite sides, and you don't drop a nut like that next time.
What do you mean? This is gonna fall inside there forever.
You don't know that, but yeah, there's 2 nuts on each side right here. Take that one out, take that one out, then we just pop this out last. You get that one.
You fucking rip it off.
The last part, you just push it out from the inside. It should come right off, just like that. Beautiful. Let me see, close it. Let's see how it looks like without the deck lid panel.
Oh, wait.
I think you just gotta pull in there and pull out, yeah. Once you got that plastic piece of shit out, then that's good to go.
Yeah, let's just take the shit off. It does nothing back there. Right there.
Right, there you go. You got all the little pins out right there. Pull that shit out now.
And just you're ripping off.
You see? And it's intact still, so I can still use it. Probably hang it up on my room.
Low key.
And this is the part where you gotta clean this shit. But you see all this
whole
crap?
thing so it can stick.
Oh, that's right, huh? That's why we got the towel, we got the alcohol, we got everything ready. So the eBay carbon fiber guys, they provided this type of tape, and look at this shit compared to the one they got at O'Reilly. Look at this. Pencil with fucking tape. So thankfully this guy didn't tie down this 3M tape right here, because that would have been, we would have had a bad time. But you gotta use this cloth that comes with some adhesion promoter. Just rub it along right there. Now he's gonna tighten it down.
Tighten it down.
This is a 10, right? Or an 8?
This is what?
The socket size. You're tightening it down right now.
I think it's an 11 and a half, to be honest with you. I don't have that.
You think that's gonna do? Oh, right. Tell me that's double-sided tape though, right?
Yes, bitch.
I think the guy was lying to me.
You wanna see?
No. Go for it, man. Go for it. You gotta line that shit up like first try though. First try. You have to get it on, baby. It's not going back, bro. You've changed things.
Yeah, you can always keep it.
I don't know.
Is your first piece of carbon fiber?
On the Mustang, but not on the Challenger. Oh wait, there's a ricer coming by again. Dude, there's fucking ricers all over the city. Look at that. We get it on the car. Just one last shot of it. Naked, without anything on there. Don't worry about those fingerprints. I didn't know that it was really hard to clean this carbon fiber right before I started switching it everywhere. So that's why it's like that. You're saying?
Think about it, you cleaned it, we have to touch it anyways.
Not unless we had gloves.
No, we're not that professional. Is your camera gonna...
Yeah, you can take that.